Here's how to insert a new recording or an existing recording into your video. Let's get started. Let's say you wanted to insert a new recording at the end of this video. Click at the end of the timeline. Click Insert. Then hit New Recording. This will prompt the recorder and you are able to record into the end of your video. If you're looking to add an existing recording into your video, click to the area you want to add. Click Insert, then hit Existing Recording. This will bring up a list of your recordings. Choose an existing recording. Once you do this, you'll see a blue bar on your timeline. If you aren't on the right spot, you are able to drag the blue bar to where you want to insert. Click OK or press the Enter key once you're on the right spot. After the insert is added, a blue colored span will show up on your timeline where the insert is located. You can choose to remove this insert by clicking on the span and clicking Remove. You can also use the Undo or Edit History drop-down to remove the insert. The last used tool will be listed next to the Tools button so you can easily use the same tool again.